by downloading the Gotlocked app from the App Store or Google Play Store. After installation, register as technician and contact the Gotlocked tech support for account activation. Once your account is activated, Gotlocked will start sending notification about locksmith jobs in your area. You can now offer price codes and estimated time of arrival for the customer. Wait for the customer to reply and accept your code. If your code is accepted, the job will appear in your dashboard. Open the job and communicate with the customer by messaging or calling. Navigate to the address provided by the customer to start the job. Once on site, inform the customer and finish the job. Select Confirm Job Done in the app and wait for the customer to confirm it. Congratulations, you just finished your first job through Gotlocked. Gotlocked will continue to send notifications for new jobs in your area. Repeat the process of offering the codes, communicating with the customer, and finishing the job to grow your business through the app. Gotlocked means effortless job connection, more job opportunities with the customer